Hello, my name is Carmela Mirulwadia and this is my video insight in engineering economics subject. Introduction. Engineering economics has several advantages since it allows business leaders to make strategic decisions for their organization. While macroeconomics and financial skills are essential for running a corporation, engineering economics also provides a decision-making framework, and it is also the vital importance to engineers. These subjects also helps one understand the need for knowledge of economics for being an effective manager and decision maker. Engineering economics is closely aligned with conventional microeconomics, and it is devoted to problem solving and decision making at the operational level. Engineering economics refers to those aspects of economics and its tools of analysis most relevant to the engineer's decision-making process. Why we should study financial market? The bond and stock markets, for example, are critical for foster higher economic efficiency by diverting funds from individuals who do not have a productive use for them to those who do. Indeed, well-functioning financial markets are a critical component of high economic growth, and poorly performing financial markets are one of the reasons why many nations around the world stay poor. Role in decision making. Decisions are made routinely to choose one alternative over another by individuals in everyday life, by engineers on the job, by managers who supervise the activities for others, by corporate presidents who operate a business, and by government officials who work for the public good. And most decisions involve money called capital or capital funds, which is usually limited in amount. Steps in an engineering economy study. Cost concepts and the economic environment. Cost terminology: fixed cost, variable cost, incremental cost or incremental revenue, recurring cost, non-recurring cost, standard cost, book cost, opportunity cost, and the life cycle cost. Present economy. Present economy studies when alternative for accomplishing a specific task are being compared over 1 year or less, and the influence of time, money can be ignored. And this is the example problem. Elements of transactions involving interest. Simple interest. The formula is I equals to P times N times I, where P is the principal amount lent or borrowed, N is the number of interest periods, I is the interest rate per interest period. Depreciation is a fixed asset such as equipment and real estate are financial resources purchased to generate future cash flow. Depreciation is the steady reduction in the utility of fixed asset over time and with use. Antiques, master paintings, rare stuff, rare coins, and in most situations, land are not included in this definition because their values increase with time. Book depreciation methods. Straight line method, declining balance method, double declining balance method, sinking fund formula, sum of the year digit method, double declining balance with switch over to straight line, units of production or service output method, depletion, the process of depreciating natural resource costs. Methods of investment analysis. Investment analysts use a variety of approaches to conduct economic analysis in order to establish the viability of proposed enterprise. Annual worth method, present worth method, explicit reinvestment rate of return, internal rate of return method, payback period method. And this is the example problem. This is the formula: investment minus salvage value divided by net annual cash flow is equals to payback period. So 90,000 divided by 36,000 minus 4,500 is equals to 2.857 years.